Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to control which CMS items appear on your page, CMS filters are the key. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you how to actually use CMS filters in Webflow in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go and look for webflow.com. So after tapping on this link, they're gonna take you to a page where you should just usually log in using your email address and password. As for now, make sure you already have a collection list added to the page by opening the page with a collection list. So for example, we're gonna go into pages. We have this CMS collection pages. For example, blog post. Here we're gonna tap on this one. For example, let's go back to home. Go back here. I'm gonna go CMS blog post template, and we will be able to see multiple options here. Then click the collection list element as I told you, then open collection list settings. Just basically go and check these settings. You can also then go to filters actually. This is the whole settings area, so you can have search, interface, gadget, all of this. We can even go back here, we can even check the CMS here. Basically, you can go to the settings here also. We have the basic info, custom fields, and all of this. You can even add fields here. Collection name, blog post. You can even share it if you want to. Let's go back to design. Okay, so we are here. Let's go and check the actual pages, like pages, view all pages in this collection. So we have this one, collapse. So after choosing a field, select the CMS field you want to filter by like category or status, for example. Have this section. Then basically set the condition. Choose conditions like contains or not empty, it depends on you. Then preview the results. Check how the filtered items is displayed, and that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.